Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook lead ads leads in Google Sheets for summer camp. So here I've created a Facebook page for my summer camp, and to promote my camp, I'm running some Facebook lead ad. So in this case, I want whenever a new lead is received, automatically that lead detail should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and our action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add your Facebook lead ads leads to Google Sheets for summer camp. So here I've created a Facebook page for my summer camp with the name Summer Smiles, and to promote my summer camp I'm running some Facebook lead ad. So in this case I want whenever a new lead is received in my Facebook lead ad, automatically to manage the leads, all the lead details should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. So here I've created a spreadsheet with the name Summer Camp Leads, and here I've taken some basic fields such as name, email and phone number. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a workflow, I'm going to click on this button. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Add Summer Camp Facebook Lead Ads Leads to Google Sheets. And now I'm going to select my folder as Facebook Lead Ads to Google Sheet. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. And here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name Add Summer Camp Facebook Lead Ads Leads to Google Sheets. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook Lead Ads and my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And now to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. And authorization successful. So here it easily got connected because I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and now it is asking me to select my page. So as I've already shown you that I have created my Facebook page with the name Summer Smiles. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to search for my page which is named as Summer Smiles. So here I'm going to select my page. And after selecting the page, here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So for lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. And here under lead ads form, you can see all the forms which I've created for my use. You can create your own lead ad form as per your need. And in this case, I'm going to use this lead ad form which is named as lead ads form 2. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to select my lead gen form as lead ads form 2. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. Now after selecting the page and the lead gen form, moving forward, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here after clicking on save and send test request, you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. So here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So to generate a test lead, let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the homepage of Meta for Developers. From here, I'm going to click on this more. And from here, I'm going to select Tools. Now under developer tools, I'm going to select the tool that is Lead Ads RTO debug tool. And here under Lead Ads testing tool, I'm going to select my page which is named as Summer Smile and my form which is Lead Ads form 2. And now to generate a test lead, here I'm going to click on this preview form. And here I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy user, email as dummy123@pablitudes.com, and a random phone number. And now after entering all the details, here I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly window. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the full name as dummy user, email as dummy123@pablitudes.com, a random phone number and other details. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets and my action event as add a new row, so that whenever a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ad, automatically the lead details will be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. And now to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So now after building a successful connection, moving forward, and here it is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So here I've already shown you that I have created a spreadsheet with the name Summer Camp Leads. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to select my spreadsheet as Summer Camp Leads. And after selecting the spreadsheet, here I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1. Moving forward, and now here it is asking me for name, email and phone number. So basically these are the fields which I've entered in my Google Sheets. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here instead of entering the data manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my Facebook lead ads. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever a new lead is received in our Facebook lead ad, automatically this previously existing lead details will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the name. Moving forward, here I'm going to map the email address. And lastly, here I'm going to map the phone number. So now after entering all the details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let's go and check our Google Sheet. And here you can see we have successfully received a new response in our Google Sheet where we have received the name as dummy user, email as dummy123@pablitudes.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to generate another test lead in our Facebook lead ad, and for that, let me take you back to Lead Ads testing tool. So here in Lead Ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button. And after clicking on this delete lead, here I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. Now again here in Lead Ads testing tool, I'm going to select my page which is named as Summer Smiles and my form which is Lead Ads form. And after selecting the page and form, here to generate a new lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. Again here I'm going to enter another dummy data and do a test submission. So for the full name, I'm going to enter the name as test user, email as test@pablitudes.com and a random phone number. Now after entering all the details, here I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Google Sheet again. And here you can see we have successfully received another new response where we have received the name as test user, email as test@pablitudes.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Facebook lead ads and an action as Google Sheets, so that whenever a new lead is received in our Facebook lead ads, automatically that lead details will be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.